Good morning, good morning. Yeah, man, I'm here up on a live, you know what I mean? Yeah, so today I'm heading to Ocho Rios, the blue hole, you know, more popularly known as the Island Gully Falls. Yeah, man, so go there today, chill out and relax. Yeah, man. Yeah, so finally in Ocho Rios. But before I go to the Island Gully Falls, I'm gonna make one quick stop at this vegan restaurant by this guy. His name is Chef Vita. He's a guy I've been following on Instagram for a while now, like about 2 years now, or probably more. So it's the second time I'm going to the restaurant. The first time I never get to do any recording. So I got the restaurant right now. Grab a quick bite and then my friend go and pick me up and then I got the fall. So you know me there downtown watching now. Yeah. Yeah, you know, I said I just start one YouTube channel. Yeah, so. Me G, blessed love. Could I get on a jelly them? But more than one, you throw it out now.
No, I'm not throw it in. Strawberry.
Well, well, give me same speed, that's me. I didn't want to drop it now and bug. For me, I'm the bug, you know, I'm bugging. Just it bug. Well, give me the way how you can deal with it. In place I am on, welcome to Jamaica spot, downtown Ocho. Yeah.
So many great songs never seen by video. How many singers with your system defined? You're the players of instruments.
Don't have no
I'm not saving
small.
money now. I'm not saving money, cause
I'll be a 5 grand. Oh man, I'm changed man.
good.
Yeah? He good man, see boy, me just tell us I'll be a 5 grand man. How much feet? How much feet?
3 billion.
3. Give me one straw. I move from Jimmy now, Edgar Chef Vita, then straight up by a blue boat. Hey guys, so I just pull up at Chef Vita restaurant, but it seems like it's closed. I don't see anybody there, so I guess it's because it's on a Sunday, but probably another day I stop by. But yeah, I'm right here. Really wanted some vegan food today. I should have checked the time. I should have checked if him did available or open or whatever, but yeah, another day. Man, so my friend now him want come pick me up, carry me go up to the falls, so it's a good vibe, good vibration, up full. Yeah, so I'm just there now. My friend come pull up. They are head for the falls. Oh, the place dead though. Come like a chew when a Sunday. Yeah. Hey guys, so if you're in Ocho and need a personal tour guide, my friend Willon can transport you. I'll leave his contact information in the description box. So if you're in Jamaica, in Ocho, need a good taxi driver, just check him out. Yeah, say hello for you people.
Yeah man, hey, welcome to Ocho. Yeah man, the good cab driver over here, Willon.
Alright, my chief.
I thought that was a whistly you pointed at me. Well, God, peace and love, they are same way. Through the thick and thin, you know what I mean? Through the storm, through the rain, they are same way, you know what I mean? All the vibes. I mention the thing, yeah, me say big up YouTube and big up everybody out there. It's the Brownie Man, the reggae Brownie Man, that's that, you know.
Alright, so when I pause back, I'm going to grab something for you.
Yeah, no problem, man. Me there, man. We do a proper advertisement.
Alright, up full. Yeah, blessing.
Alright, cool. Big up.
Alright, respect. Yeah people, so I'm just pull up our blue hole. Morning. Up full. Yeah, I don't know small change. So you have changed now? Oh, okay. Yeah, so here guys, you have to pay the entrance fee. It's not very expensive to come in here, you know what I mean? So this is the place where all the good vibes, all the entertainment, Rasta here for represent.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, so we're there,
Yeah man.
Yeah, good vibes.
Welcome,
The boss himself.
Yeah man, welcome to the Nature Blue Hole Eco Attraction, Yeah man, number one,
Good vibes, so
Yeah
come
man.
to spend the day. Come to spend the day, have some fun and just free my mind and everything, So yeah. Yeah, so them forward. Yeah, bad man. Yeah. Yo, tell the people them what they are in.
My name is Kelly. Yeah, I'm the Blue Hole tour guide of Nature Blue.
Yeah, bless up to the G, Kelly. They here outside. So it was a good day today. I really enjoyed the day. Yeah, it was a good vibe at the waterfall here in Ocho Rios. So if you guys coming to Jamaica and want to visit Island Gully Falls, check it out, you know what I mean? You can leave me a message. You know, if you see this guy, check him out. He can be your personal tour guide. Tell him your name.
My name is Kelly from the Nature Blue Hole.
Yeah, so Kelly from the Nature Blue Hole. He's your tour guide, so whenever you guys in Jamaica, just stop by and he can take you to the fort.
Yeah.
So it's a pleasure showing you guys around the place, and I hope you guys make your way up here. Alright, peace, love and blessing. About to leave now. It was a great day at the Nature Blue Hole or Island Gully Falls. So now I'm heading out. Yeah.